endless possibilities. And that's why you're too far and pay me as I about Tenassi Bimza. No, Monomix, the Biasboy Costa TV, no, so I was in a pair, may I say about Tenassi Baby. But some day I saying that was one daughter the ABN Michele 2nd July 2026. Yan Domi Hinara Nande Adachuan Domipi Sabi. Uncatas from who you had the funny Hina the Massa or your Ghana, Nepin, you to mark name at the dispatches are. Nano abeda wonya miasa papa nende izi oyen kwehye sam butum na bro the maraso na izi oyen kasebo no butum na bro nkrate no mpesen butum aba ewie nkomo bobeba nsoro tuto na so ndezembe pi gen na wo home nti nsoro tuto no obama oya ayamtu yerba etum na amene hondo anade oya ti de yerba etum na amene hondo be pray de nya pomedinfo payinfo botwetwe nkomo afede mesemi ho nefe etum na yak oye hnayim nemom endem kwasha sama yetum ne zema hino hwan de I don't need a perfect people. I don't need a perfect people in my life. I just need honest, good-hearted ones. I don't need a perfect people in my life. I just need honest and the good-hearted ones. Mempebia sabi abakra no ho anemu hu ne de anezo ye papa mepenna zamba wo ye dom kase ma we hu de wo akoma pa wotum na wozem nti yenhyere so de ana yankofa wo atwa wo ho apro no wo ya yankofa sabi etum na agi hu nezi ana ka na hona no da hu nezi wo sen biara wo dem soronko anade semenhia anade enye huna nche enyimza atumusi tamukwafo ni nyina no anhwene ya na obedzo hwambo na emom za awa koma padzemo za sabi iprowa anke de ejempo nara we dinka na kanezi sabi wanyim sesa otumo hu wuso wanyim sesa otumo beso na baazi yawo ene dada mebire ya wo boda ebieni na wanyim nte dem na esere wo no abedinta do ebieni wanyim etuma yelemi echere akoma pa na otumozumo echere the gesture and process they be on monitor movement they be all show they be osraw wona akomam wona yim aninti na asde I don't need a perfect people in my life. I just need honest and good-hearted ones. Nti inde anapay he kwesha sama yetum na ezrema ho mezenezi OMAR bin ABDULLAH and why ye dey anche be match rabaso baba ai darafina babwa ma pesem na ni hina etum na akodo na yefa kasebo no bro ande anapay kasebo ahoro a edifi aye omanim na fefirmanto ne bia bi na etum ezebro za amampanyin chondramani mama etum ahyebode na abani abire biara abire July baba no odi bisuo abompa ama oman Ghana nzene de mejumeje krodo fefirmanto ma haso ebiso tum krodo dama so ne aso pinyen etum akasa afeda mensame hu ibekwa akohwe da ka afraba oyehona ene da yene saka opin pa fefirmanto madano ma aye mafom ho eyeje otum krodo aye Miss Ivy Beauty aye amate nso de sempin jibutuga enti eyipin na okeka ho mende beba be mo yakasebom yenda yi hosima ba be yeba nkomobo no bokodo wo yakasebom
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Yasa hechiri abaza masama mu akwa bebie mejese wonyima henwa yesha kasebona sa ikijira omampanyin John Dramani Mahama na banu abira auto frank awazima oyana man yoko be omampanyin no chensem de ekwan biara do no bobo mazin no fibreto bere no wozi oye July busuma otumozi kanenu ana de otumozi kanenu woza abonkoma abompa ama oman Ghana ende de mejo krodo omampanyin jesim pedo de yan ye kra no aya kasa ho no yetumika ne de biara awoda ye ma aya asomdwe otuma fifiri obi biara yewo ana boboa me yetumi etu anama atuma akoyim yinki say omampanyin John Dramani Mahama ne nsem bi otuma de ka ho de Ghana ikakasa hoze na emum ima asomdwe ntra.
To build the Ghana we desire, we must recommit ourselves to honesty, accountability, patriotism, compassion, discipline, respect for one another, and an unwavering commitment to the common good. As Proverbs reminds us, Proverbs 14, verse 34, righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a reproach to any people. Our economic recovery has been built upon discipline. It must now be sustained by integrity. It must be protected by justice, and it must be strengthened by our national unity. One of Ghana's greatest blessings is our unity in diversity. We speak different languages. We belong to different ethnic communities. We practice different faiths. We hold different political opinions. And yet, we remain one people with one common destiny. Before we belong to political parties, we belong to Ghana. Before we identify with tribe or region or religion, we are citizens of one republic, Ghana. Our constitution binds us together. Our history unites us. Our future depends upon our ability to work together. And therefore, let us reject bitterness, intolerance, and division. Let us reject corruption and cynicism. Instead, let us embrace dialogue over hostility, service over self-interest, unity over division, and hope over despair. No nation has ever achieved greatness by allowing its differences to define its future. Today, I wish to speak directly to every Ghanaian. To our religious leaders, I thank you for your prayers and moral leadership, and I pray you continue to guide our nation with wisdom, humility, and courage.
Tamen semi na pioka kaona hina mampanyin John Dramani Mahama otumodu tuga. Wose panyin kasa na wanfa futi sementuma mbama na sabi ibirme ye honadwen ne enwie peye mampanyin foda mahako njedo tu mebunu fude yamma madziyan sane so da sabi sakana mpanyifo hi ho a ahono bebisan nan nto sane so de oba madziyan wa de subampazi wemia ho wotuma esuazi na wodzibo soronko ama hono mpanyifo na kurakura mu no amampanyin chensem de embebun mo madziyan wonjai aye sikantam mepentam na payi no ho mepentam apesika abandama abrabo na mpanyifo je hono no ye ho moti.
You are not merely the leaders of tomorrow. You are already shaping the Ghana of today. And so dream boldly, acquire knowledge, develop new skills, reject shortcuts, lead lives of integrity, avoid drugs, believe in yourself because your country believes in you. And to every Ghanaian, wherever you may be, remember that nation building is not the responsibility of government alone, as our preacher this morning said. Every act of honesty by every Ghanaian strengthens our republic. Every act of kindness by every Ghanaian strengthens our communities. Every act of integrity strengthens our democracy. And every act of service strengthens Ghana. I remain optimistic about the future of our beloved nation. Our recent achievements demonstrate what is possible when a united people place their trust in God.
John Dramani Mama, I'm off to Berino, no so abamandia, a 2 minutes ama oya mampayin. I bet him for manchum shafu, Genesim Pido, ordinance to go and chill and send me there. Ababwa, Nenka, so far off to Berino, Oba Mazin William Quinja, Obampa, woman sister to my back. In Kobaya, in Chawada William Quinja, no catching and Nelson Marco Biara war to me day. Young one Mazin, Albiara, Obutuaka so won't to Queen Mother Banu, Nabra Babasisa. You could say, or your fin filmanto shafu, or your opinion a drew amour, a co-paying orchard, in some of the jello.
Me manche. Also for be a bagana on the ansana, ordinance sabotoduma. I had a sabat na sa ball a bank to Quenum. The dark name the watch of baby a focogu. The bayan wire sa. And Kagana battle. Bomparan ko be Montana, Mombaya bibi to them. Because only I would tum one above to be cassa. And it's a friend of both for a wabe or your ball above for is a sad ball and go to Quenuma Bay scar. Among any problem. Because under the power of the puppet, a suffer to Mamuwa, Yimpa Muiwakasa, a wonderful see a Muslim walk on them. I don't see a Muslim mesa what's up, my for. Navia Bandai. No question that yes, Atala, nobody has any other title, near the Ura, Naya Coffee. Oh, Cononum, Piotr, or that to film, on that to film, on that to film. What I say answer the so rather come on, yen to me ye. As a queen, sir, a man's memo fun 1 year since here. One my quenja, Mamma was the bannon, why a catastrophe say. Sir, a bayon na akade. Once a soul, no one quotunga. Abai baby ebuha kontai and I made them who to do I was a Cape Coast. Who to do I was a Swedro. Until 9 days I bind this cover back. No vieze him. No I can't do need I in the ocean was the same rare. No why you skin. Why be him pano ye urano oko asupeter. When you're that's a motion. And see sir won't potem be if you be someone there. And then obi to me you were to catch your zoom line for better so. Asoma asofo mungwahen. Munye chas kitchas no mo baby ala anwotowe wo. Oya kwankwan yo. Oya kwankwan ye de se bere nkwanom sa nkwaye mesafo sam nkwaye meyinsam nkwaye bibia basa so no nkoten. Na mom da impotem no beto no. One for soon come. May and Kaya Mesama or preserve heaven, my neither my assassin in pursuing my. After the day, a young Yamis, Mason, I can't have an assassin in pursuing no heaven be. Woho. Ah, no, no, young Faso, Nessa, assassin to my Buakuntaya. Heaven Bobo. I did the more Bahama. Now your Obasai and Kakanka. Yabon nature, Oba Yanche. A fiend, what my yet can assassin, what my yet can viase. Na Yako, sir, they have an empire night window, baby, caught into baby always it. Oh, yeah, Maria Wahan, what it was so. Must say, one way a mobile. Now, one man assure. A radically fear on boy, my gun, and you said, yes, yeah, rather. One now, what's the email? More minor, although you remember. And so, who will become, who will be there, who will be here. One man, yes, and you, so, boy, Uncle Tipo, either Ghana fo yɛbɔkye yɛn afi no yɛsesi yɛn ho a nka hospital Ghana ha nka yɛkɔ yɛbɛnya eduru nka yɛbɛnya doctors nka yɛbɛtumi yɛ school osan na echo assemblies at the mayor mokan sika aban cheko na da me yimpa da sɛn ti wiase what much sika to there o yimpa da sɛn bɛ yɛ nwura na yɛ da akɔsesa wa da ma sɛ me wo duan yɛyim dɛ ɛnyɛ nala ɛna wiase ne yɛ de na yɛboaboa no yɛboaboa yɛ nananom wɔ kwan a wɔfare wɔbɔ bonwura no asɔfo mpanyimfo kɔbɛsrɛ adwuma no breni ɔmampɛyi mama ɔda ahyɛ mo nsa nnɛ yɛ a yɛreka ho asɛm yi ɔkyena wɔma yɛnka ho asɛm na dza up to central region menkɔɔ baabi de na mususu dɛ dza asi fimfim mantom amandza a yɛnya no ɔkyekyɛ no baabiara na yɛso yɛnhyɛ ase dɛ yɛso yɛba start yɛn abrabɔ mo wasono akye no baabiara yɛde wase dɛ wɔaba yɛde obi bi ase school for we want to thank you for joining us. I think you are our hope. I think if we're able to change you, if we're able to influence you through Christ, then we'll have hope. We need you to change your attitude towards the environment.
Yanifin Firmanchum Shiafo Honorable Edramwa Akopain na adada mesem tuado za Kosa TV yebakan de edon obras papa nkankan kwan pa ofado wujujumedi nkankan suku fu maframa wotu nsa fra won wo finfirmantom ne turo gwa ebo honorable na abad papa osane aboboa maframa nsema wotu mote no ahonso wenyin na waye mpanyimpa jumedi mpanyimfa pi na ba bakasa Right Reverend Oye Richardson Abuaje Andam Methodist Sora Owo Ogwaha Opanyin na odanu anade opanyin na oka nsora ahoro mpanyifo ho a obua masomje otumfeferen Genesim pido cherecherensem chirede mpempenso ayeduri yenyina woda ye nkabom sonko ye mekro yeba ye bompa masomje bebe wo biara otum no fefer Damarasune mpempenso iwomi ya oye abira anum ye dzenpa sentira inde nazem papi nsu etumafon Nzeba pa na ya asofo ya yetimimfo yerege yinkitei oyo sofo panyin andam nsama otomagjero
Day of prayer provides an opportunity for people of all faith and all traditions to unite in humility and in gratitude to God for what He has done for us and pray for peace, national unity, justice, and prosperity. And this year is so crucial because of what we are going through as a nation, the flood issues that is affecting every region. And so it's a national issue. And as we are praying this day, I believe that all of us will put our hearts together and minds together and pray on these issues also. So we have slated one of the prayer points to tackle on this. This National Day of Prayer is very, very crucial, as I have said earlier on. By that, we are sharing our commitment and our values. We have said the theme for this year is resetting our values to build the nation we want. Resetting is very, very important. And it's very, very important that even in our homes, we sit down and we reflect in past events and we want to reset things so that we can have a good and prosperous home. So it is very, very important that our president and the government has couched this theme for us, resetting our values to build the Ghana we want. We need values, we have values which will help us to build our nation and to help the generation and even the unborn generation to know how they should love their lives. Let us all remember that we have a rich history as a nation. people who pray, people who seek the face of God, people who always want to join hands to make sure that the nation is built on one faith, the nation is built on a hope, the nation is built on a reconciliation, the nation, so that we can come together and have a peaceful nation as ours.
Ọsọfọpanyin na ọdị dam nsẹm itugwa mpanyinfo si ọpanyin gwara ne nso asenti ọgwa amahin ọyẹ ọsabarama Dr. Krisata baka sempido ọyẹ ne mpanyinfo zafutu ma nnazimba a wotu mo hye mu ho kyerɛ nsɛm de yɛde mpɛmpɛso a Yankopɔn yɛ na afamedze ayɛtime mufo so baaze na yɛtum yɛyɛ ɔbɔboa da Yankopɔn rutu anamɔr ɔreboa ma Ghana etum asesa no yɛtime mufo yɛmɔ matse na fi yɛnso yetum yɛyɛ afamedze mpanyinfo se sabe ɛbɔkara na wɔhyew hen mahen de tuodo de ɔdɔ ɛkoro yɛ nkebom bɔboa ma ɔman Ghana afɔne tampa efura yɛngye mpanyinfo a yɛse hunamien yɛhyɛ hunahoroba abandam mboa ɔmanhyira sombaman.
The good book, also the greatest commandment, love thy neighbor as thyself. Nyankopɔn ɔbɛyɛ wo awo ɛreyɛ sɛ yɛpɛ dɛ ɔsesa yɛn a ɔde yɛ nyakoma bi a ɔwɔ yɛn mu yɛgye tumi dɛ yɛn so yɛbɛsesa ɛbɛbɔ mpɛn 1,000 times. Now when I say any ready, they have a society. Now go on, other than walk man, but background education. Or you too penetrate on society. It's a ceremony. Over in Nara, and then the one catcher in Nara. Yes, baby, film. Baby, all you won't hear will know yet, including myself. And then you be fear. Yes, sir. Now you have to find auto super good. Yet next to you, Echma, it will be a wonder or your wound. Now, then, Pede will be to your own. Was not trying. Says the damn attitude is a tuna, the Gueha, is a Tunacana. Within 1 month, in Zamabasis. Yet now you feel, and someone lets the over, or your young. After Basisha, in Pamba, there you ask yourself, how come this is happening? Just because in family and culture, I don't know how. We're saying and this goes to our students. These days, in every school, college, university, there is a rule or a method through which you can express your problems. These days, every student will actually work when how come? This is most unlike Yama Brahma Warba. If you adopt this attitude, in future, can you, if you get an employment, be the boss of the place? Can you command that office, restrain your those under you to do what is right? You cannot, because you have already done worse things when you were young. So this is a learning day for all of us. Otherwise, President Otomo, Oriye, and then you should take none on him. Why? Because of the Ghana or the year. Now, if we do not join hands, love our neighbors as ourselves, this is the mental constant criminal. Because we do not appreciate what he is doing or what he wants Ghana to become. My request, my plea is to all of us. As we leave this hall, let's live with the mindset to change our attitude for the better. For ourselves, once a charity begins at home, whatever we feel, as a you'll be referred to your house. As now, Mammy Shatter, not a short of them. Let's look at ourselves first before we can point our fingers to somebody else. If we do that, Papa, our boy can do it.
Yana mahin na ozi samana buetur abra yadem pa bo jijigana tata penfasi atene sakro wo yankodo a za aka ne yannan obesa ode baadzi na wosoriye yakwe na yimza na no endeda oyekosa tv twinsa frɛ finfin manto mopanyina ada maframa ho yezido oye miss IVBT amate bakansa kyerɛkyerɛ kwana nazimba woye timemfo woya abatan wo hye maframa min abra miss IVBT amate kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no mu ɔkyerɛ me de sɛ ka afraba ɔyehona afraba ondi nko mfida wotwe mekyerɛ 18 years anon anya afraba the mama from no awada yetum ni gina ntokonan bo hon mahuna futu nyeda amenehye kosibu enso physical sre aba hono do the master psychological when adwunumun nzema bi yantanta neglect yeyi hunama osamboa na emmom miss Ivy amate gina nsam do kire nsem de sexual abuse
according to the Children's Act, now some other legal frameworks for children. Abufraba ye nyimpa onya the ages of 18 years onya abufraba. Now the abufraba we have to protect this child. Na seyesha aya na abuse ana yakayekezi bebre wo ho a wodi ye the mom of framan. Na yakayekezi ebi ye physical abuse oni ye yakayekezi awo ya oka abufraba no hunam. Ti dem a erigon eributin erititin that is physical abuse. Na ye wo psychological abuse oni ye yakayekezi awo ye moframa oho wa adwim. That is psychological or emotional. Near one neglect. There you be poor abufraba. Abufraba needs all the bigness. Inti say ya mana nature de ya poor abufraba. Like health, education, and all other. Show the child love. Only ya mana ya pon. So these are the four main abuser. Another ayakekeza wazi ya moframa. For the purpose of today, we are going to hammer on the sexual abuse. Only ayakekeza waye. Moframa ndemo ekekezi. That one too we have four main. Inti yefanity there the physical aspect of it. There let's go with the non-verbal. Yes. Oh no first no I don't know it still happens. Na exactly. Okay. What does it mean? You are not talking but then nature there enyinika ya warezi. Yes. And then also Asha abufraba na man I winking. What does it mean? You see? Also enkasa you but it's non-verbal. What actions? There you are abusing the child sexually. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the verbal. There and some ebeka eza atra abufraban na obama abufraban atre there epede eyen ayekekezi wo indem ana sexually. There ebeka abufraban there. Oh, you mentioned something. I'm your wife. You are my wife. Sorry. Now, wife no yeden. What does a wife do? Why should you even tell abufraba? I remember in school times, a teacher was line wife, one wife, two wife, three. What does it mean? Yeah. You give that child a special treatment. At times, not a friend. What does it mean? Sometimes they say it make it so. Yes. When you feel, utun abubo oyawasem. It doesn't. No. It's very inappropriate. In today, that is the verbal aspect of it. And now, let's go to the physical, where you will go beyond the talking or the winking, and now you'll be touching the child. Teacher be no abo afrani tun, and our penyin be abo afrani tun. Well, oh, when how do you do that? Until you go to extend the AFUA, you are touching, now then you're having sexual intercourse, then that is the physical aspect of it. Now we have the technological aspect of it, whereby you use the phone. Now send abufraban porn to watch. Wow. That is an abuse sexually. 1. 2, sometimes they even force the child to watch it. It's on, and now they force the child to even act it. Send me nude, send me that. It's also another factor. We have something they call texting, sexting. Yes. So that is sex, not text. Into cring, what are you wearing? Cring, what dress ni abakala? Cring. So that aspect of it, you are using the technology, and then that is also a form of abuse. So these are the things that we do and more. Yenyim or yenyim, knowingly or unknowingly, there we are abusing these children.
Eraba Ivy beauty amate konesam do chire nsem chire timemfo abra kosa TV ne bonkomo chire de the teachers wo oya namsin zema wofo abra bofraba no wo oye school otum no suaze chire ni boboa dandan afraban amma ne daachi etum ne wie peye chire ni bokodo abofraba no hoban amma daachi wo huni de ne chire yin wambo na bol amate oye beauty kodo tuto sra awofo pi nyere de nazema pi wo ya awofo wo de mafama ko school a ankan secondary school wa pa no hona soa de sabi akwagana no do ne kesisi wo ho na asan wo kira ba enhwe wo kiri wo ya bibiara abane dama na cheda amboa choba fodama akwenje do atuta sra awofo de saudo boko school a bo maze na sen ma oye yina kwambra enta enkasra na de biara sen sika ma chekire nya ankankan oye banyin de onhwa abofro na yezi onsan sabi onye da o chekirafo manyinfo na emom de ma kwenje do o de bebia o de hawba to ne sebo kire nsem de say kan adolescent stage a nazama pi wo wiaden fa ne hina biara afamita ntinya oba na edunudo yekwa krama fama ne ye hunu ye ya boboa mo hono daachi ewie pay adedam semi tian.
A teacher is supposed to be we have something we say in loco parentis. Okay. In place of a parent. Okay. In place of a parent means that you have the legal and moral duty to protect. To guide, to direct the child. So this child trusts a teacher because teacher today or any parent. So in place of a parent is a teacher. That is the role of a teacher in a school. Having said that, parents because of that role they neglect their children in the hands of teachers. Why am I saying that? Obi's in a boarding school. Not at all. Or they send this through a teacher. Let's put a male teacher. No, our friend, and then you call the child through that male teacher. I'm not saying all male teachers are wrong, no. But you, the parent yourself, you are pushing your child to that particular male teacher. Say let's the adolescent age, for example. What's exactly. When you are in that stage, the sexual drives and sexual desires and all that, it is natural. You can't run away from that fact. It is natural. So you better cry there. It is natural. So during that stage, say onya a male figure, no shown in love, 1 or 2, it is easier for that child to be abused. Into parents, no, we don't have to leave our children in the care, only in the care of child protection. Onye nimpa kru na ejuma. Oye yen na ya seze, right? Oye ya seze there, we will protect these children. So, but nititu ni jina awofu wando. So when you take a child, give to a teacher, just where PTA and coho, where and share what is wrong with the child. Everything, oh, teacher area, a teacher area, you are pushing your child to that teacher. 1. So teacher no, or a human, just like you and I. So some of the courses will be like nankasa a teacher factor or an individual factor. Teacher nankasa onto control no, just like any other individual. Anything in skirt him. So when these children are growing, you see a child that has a body more than you and I. And you as a teacher, you should know your weaknesses. If you know your weaknesses, these things would reduce. You don't go beyond certain things with a student. The students trust you now because today any parent. So if, and I rightly said that these hormones and all that, it is very active during that stage. So when you see a child coming closer, as a teacher, what do you do? Or there because fire, whatever and whatever, or peja, that's it. Exactly. So you know your strengths and weaknesses. You don't go closer. With the school, some of the schools, not all, some of the schools, their supervisory role, or it's so weak. When we are classroom, all other things, the other facilities, one question. What is happening in the lab? One question is the lab teacher or whatever in charge. Who supervises the supervisor? There should be somebody above who supervises others. If the supervisory system works, most of these things will reduce. Another thing is the parents. They take that, apart from not even visiting the child, some people provide everything for the child. But some too, they neglect the children. They don't provide for the children. So, teacher be wama pen, enya pen. Wama ruler, enya ruler. Wama it's ban because a committee. Apart from the dining, a baby body okon. Wama pad. Like these little things are more from and one young. It draws them closer to the teacher. So it goes beyond just the teacher's act, but parents and then the school factor is another issue.
In some the Piaka home, na aye Miss Ivy Beauty Amati Tutuga. Aha, na ne pain son kasebo idibisi. Nzema pin janen na nazamba womanim dom amhona fotu fihima mpanyina so yi finfirimantom apanyina adano da maso na sofo mpanyifo ne hinara de afiji info subanpa tumno nanto ya ne residam za na no de mbizin kaboni sira so kure nkomo popi wo ho zema ayedoma wo yetime before afebere to be wo hwo yekosa TV yebenya hwo sonkwa yere kese abakansa onua Richard ofi Oyagana Health Directorate Metro zina obaboa me ya hwede nsu topi nyanen ayemtu yerba ina eti de yerba orobokosor ana orobobafum yenda ye hoyembra na emotia nkomobonodo.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodi. Obinya wayate, obine de susinu wodipo. Wale den, Grandpa bini fear what would you chill? No rushing, awesome minute to then, at to bini devil go chill. Now we ain't in for one listen. Money no so anka then. Intigate the jar with the cool. Roman father so I am then. I will buy some girl. One woman is so anka then. Wabra bonu my head in the bed. More the prison so I am then. Nakada shemenyim palea and you nyami ayo baby bebe she baby na do tilita nada wonyami aso fi so binya wayate bini de sesini wodi po nti wode to dan wo bini no ni na nyinsa obi so wontumu wado si de biara oda na nyami ase fi so won kwa wadi nyina bio madam macho so ayeden Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodi. Obinya wayate, obine de susinu wodi. Abelimpo. Kade tilapia say eagle jamon ya we young with their sob and swimming. I will see your best to move on to the next. Will pass, forget or till then you happy yourself. Yeah, your mates are making money, building mansions. Your mates are getting married. Oh, you true. Who made TV? What about them? Could be we who marry a being buried. Honestly, you pay the sebi question 37 since your bishop watchery. And they can't forget a kotosane you book on your do be better susuka. Nkwado be better since Kasau never heard ya na ya lucky. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodipo. Obinya wayo, obine de susinu wodi. Obinya wayate, obine de susinu wodipo.